Welcome to Tech Wave 65, innovation for new tech. What if I told you that inside your Android phone, there's an unseen intelligence working 24/7? It's not the one you talk to. This one is a silent guardian, working under the hood to predict and prevent problems before they happen. It's the tool that neutralizes threats and keeps your phone safe, often without you ever knowing you were in danger. You've never seen it, but you've definitely seen the results. A phone that stays safe and smooth. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of the device in your pocket. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the smart ecosystem inside Android, a network of systems designed to be your first and last line of defense. We'll show you the guardian that stops scams in their tracks, the unseen engineers preventing your apps from falling apart, and the smart fabric of the OS that learns your habits to keep everything running perfectly. By the end of this, you'll never look at your phone the same way again. Section 1. The Frontline Guardian Battling Digital Scams. Let's start on the chaotic frontline of the internet. Every day, you're just one wrong tap away from a digital disaster. Scammers launch millions of malicious websites and deceptive pop-ups. The most dangerous ones are brutally effective because they're fast. The average malicious site exists for less than 10 minutes, designed to strike and vanish before traditional security can even list it as a threat. So how can your phone possibly keep up? It's because your phone has its own on-device intelligence. For instance, Google is experimenting with its powerful and compact AI models, like Gemini Nano, for use directly inside your browser. Think of it like a highly trained security guard stationed inside Chrome. This guard doesn't need to call headquarters for every person that walks through the door. It can make decisions on its own, in real time. This is a game changer for your security and your privacy. Here's how this silent guardian can protect you. When you visit a web page, an on-device AI can analyze it locally on your phone. It's trained to recognize the telltale signs of a scam. Does the page create fake urgency with flashing warnings? Does it use tricky language to get you to call a fraudulent helpline? Does it try to lock up your browser to stop you from leaving? Because this analysis happens on your device, it's incredibly fast and private. The content of the page you're viewing isn't sent to Google. The AI only kicks into high gear when it detects something suspicious, preserving performance. If the AI believes a site is malicious, it can send a small packet of security signals, not your personal data, to Google's safe browsing service for a final check. If confirmed, Chrome will show a warning and block the site, stopping the scam before it can reach you. This same intelligence is being woven into other parts of your phone. In Chrome on Android, on-device machine learning is now used to analyze website notifications. The system can detect spammy alerts about fake prizes or package deliveries and give you a simple option to unsubscribe. This AI is also expanding to protect you from one of the most personal forms of scams: fraudulent phone calls. Using on-device AI, your phone can analyze call patterns in real time to warn you of a suspected scam, all without listening to the call itself. And some Android devices are now rolling out a feature that detects when you are screen sharing with an unknown number. If you then try to open a sensitive financial app, the system displays a warning and enforces a pause, giving you a critical moment to break the spell that scammers try to cast. This is your phone actively stepping in to save you from a potential disaster. Section 2. The unseen engineers preventing crashes and slowdowns. But what about problems from within? The apps you use every single day. An app that crashes, freezes, or starts draining your battery is more than just an annoyance. It's a failure of the system. You might think it's just bad luck, but behind the scenes, a different kind of intelligence is at work, helping developers prevent these problems before they affect you. This is where we meet the unseen engineers. Your Android experience is a partnership between Google and millions of app developers. To help them build stable apps, Google provides an AI-powered ecosystem of tools, most notably within its Firebase platform. You'll never see these tools, but you feel their effect every time you use a great app that just works. Imagine an app is like a complex machine. In the old days, developers had to wait for it to break, for users to report crashes, before they could fix it. Now, AI-powered tools act like a network of sophisticated sensors. One of these, Firebase Crashlytics, doesn't just report crashes. It intelligently groups them and, with the help of Gemini, provides AI-powered insights to help developers get to the root cause faster. It can spot that a new bug is causing crashes for users on a specific device, allowing them to fix it with precision. But the real magic is spotting problems early. Another tool, Firebase Performance Monitoring, establishes a baseline for what's normal in an app, how long it should take to start, how much memory it should use, and how fast it should load things. If a new update causes a tiny, imperceptible slowdown for a small group of users, the system can flag it as an anomaly. This is the AI raising a red flag, telling the developer, something isn't right here. Investigate this before it becomes a widespread issue. This helps developers catch performance issues proactively, often before most users even notice. This AI ecosystem also helps with the sheer complexity of the Android world, with its thousands of different devices. AI-powered testing tools help developers identify compatibility issues across this vast landscape, ensuring that when your phone gets a major OS update, your favorite apps are more likely to work seamlessly from day one. So while you may not see it, this hidden team of AI engineers is working tirelessly with developers to keep your app experience smooth and reliable. So we have a guardian at the gate and engineers in the engine room. But the intelligence is woven even deeper into the fabric of your phone. If you're surprised to learn about this world working inside your Android device, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're always uncovering how the tech you use every day really works, and you won't want to miss what's next. Section 3. The wider ecosystem and the reveal. This idea of a silent, helpful AI isn't limited to just security and app stability. It's a core philosophy of modern Android. You see it in features that have been around for a while, constantly getting smarter. Think of adaptive battery. Your phone learns which apps you use most and which you rarely open, then intelligently restricts power for those background apps, saving your battery for what matters. This is your phone learning your personal habits to solve a problem before it happens. This intelligence even extends to the Google services you use. Before you ever click a link, Google Search is using AI classifiers to identify and demote scammy or harmful content, trying to stop you from ever being exposed to it in the first place. When you bring all these pieces together, the full picture comes into view. The unseen AI of your Android phone isn't one single entity. It's a multi-layered system, an entire ecosystem of intelligent agents all working together to make your digital life safer and smoother. You have the frontline guardian, with on-device intelligence standing watch in your browser and on your calls, neutralizing fast-moving scams. You have the unseen engineering crew, the AI-powered developer tools that help find and fix bugs before you ever know they exist. And you have the smart fabric of the operating system itself, with adaptive features that learn your personal behaviors to optimize performance and battery life. The phone in your hand is no longer just a passive tool waiting for your commands. It's an active partner. It's constantly sensing, learning, and adapting to protect you and serve you better. It's working to solve problems you didn't know you had and shield you from dangers you never saw coming. So, the next time your phone runs all day flawlessly, or you browse the web without falling into a digital trap, you'll know why. It isn't just luck. It's that silent guardian, the unseen intelligence, working around the clock. Your phone is smarter and safer than you ever imagined. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech and real talk from TechWave 65.